Oh my gosh, guys. Our dogs are fighting out here. Oh my god. Dude, y'all need to stop. Oh my god. Dude, this is an all-out brawl. Oh my god. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Oh my god. Yo, what are y'all doing? Dude. What are y'all doing? Guys. What are they doing? They're fighting. Yo. Oh my god. Yo, are y'all gonna stop? Please. Look, y'all. Y'all remember that puppy fight video I uploaded before? They were just playing, but this time, it's actually a brawl this time. Look at him. He's on him trying to bite him. Oh my god. He just tackled him down to the ground. Yo, chill. Chill, y'all. Look at him. Oh, did y'all see that? Did y'all hear that clop? Y'all heard that? Oh. Dude, y'all need to chill out. Chill out, both of you. Oh my gosh. Yo, stop, you're gonna break his neck. He's got him on his neck. Dude, he's trying to break it. Look at the sun. Yo, y'all need to quit. Alright. Okay. It's just an out brawl over. Oh! Yo. Chill out. Oh my gosh. Are y'all gonna quit? Yo, stop doing that. He's gonna, you can break his neck. Alright, okay. Guys, I don't know. I was just out here, and then I was out here and they just started fighting. They were playing, but then they got really, okay. Now y'all got really gruesome here. Come on, this is very gruesome fight right here. Dude, y'all better not be bleeding. Oh my god! He had him by the neck. Oh my gosh. Yo, you need to chill. Oh my god. Y'all are crazy. Oh my. Bama, what are you doing, Bama? You're tearing up Squirt. Oh my god. Squirt's going. Man, I wouldn't blame him. Look at it. Y'all need to chill. Y'all need to chill out. Yo, chill. Look at him. Dude, our neighbors are literally right there. What are y'all doing? Our house is right there. We live right there. That's our house right there. That baby blue one. That's our house. Look, we got the moon right there. There's the moon. Can y'all see the moon? Yeah, I know y'all see the moon. There's our neighbors over there. And there's our other neighbor's house right there. Yo! Okay, y'all need to chill out. It's muddy where y'all from. Oh my god! Chill! Y'all need to chill out. Dude, what are y'all doing? Oh! Oh! Yo! Chill! Bro! Look, y'all need to chill. Look, y'all right by the bag right there. What y'all doing with y'all life? Yo, stop! You're gonna break his neck. Oh my God, they just kicked up dead grass. Stop, yo. Y'all got really aggressive. First it started out light aggressive, now it got really high aggressive right now. Yo, chill out, bro. Bro, y'all need to chill real quick. You're making an ow sound. Dude, look at him. Y'all need to quit. Y'all need to quit. Stop now. You understand? Don't you ever fight ever again. Stop. Y'all need to quit. Stop. Do you understand? Do you understand? Quit. Y'all need to quit fighting, bro. What's the matter with y'all? Yo. Dude, he's limping. Oh, he limping. Bro. Look. He can't even walk hardly. Look, he's looking back like, yeah, you might have got me this time, but I won't get you next time, probably. Might get you next time. Yo, you gotta understand not to fight, bro. You need to learn not to ever do that. Oh, look, now he's taking a dump up there. Y'all see him? Look, he's taking a dump. Oh. Yo, why would you do that? Y'all are crazy as heck. If y'all fight that much, something wrong. Look, I'm surprised our neighbors didn't hear that. Even though we're closer to them. Look, their house is literally right there. Luckily, you didn't do nothing. It's a pretty sunset right here. Yo, I can't believe they did that. They're crazy. Look, as y'all can see, it's like muddy where I'm standing. And right where they're fighting is muddy. Like right there, it's muddy. There. I don't know, there's Squirt up there. Y'all see him? Squirt's up there. Our house is literally right there. He's there. He's drinking some water. Oh, there he goes into the doghouse. Y'all see him? Yeah. And now you gotta pee? Yep, he's peeing, guys. Y'all see him? Look. Y'all weird for doing that, bro. Alright, guys, so if y'all hadn't been wondering why I hadn't been recording, so, okay, first of all, if y'all guys want to, I gotta tell you, I was just out here and my dog started fighting, but anyway, I'm about to talk about why I hadn't been recording lately, because I know it's been like a few days since I've been recording. It's because I just taking a break, I know I'm taking a little break from the whole recording thing, because I know I recorded y'all know I record like day after day, but if y'all haven't been wondering why I hadn't been recording a few days, that's because I'm taking a little break. I've been taking a little break, so I'm gonna try to get back recording, because I was just taking a little break because I've been recording a lot. So if y'all wondering why, that's why. So yeah, I've been taking a little break, but so if y'all ain't wondering, so that's why. So but anyway, I'm gonna go inside my house and yeah. Well, I'm gonna show y'all what this is the front. This, if y'all hadn't seen that vlog I did before, went outside, this is where I was standing. Y'all remember this spot? Yeah, I was standing at this spot right here. I was standing here. Y'all remember this? Yeah, I bet y'all do remember me standing out here. Y'all remember me showing y'all all the way back there at nighttime? Y'all remember that? You know that sunset. That's pretty, guys. That's pretty. Look at it. Look how pretty. Yeah, but anyway, if y'all hadn't been wondering why, I mean, this is where I was standing in that vlog I did outside. If y'all remember this, y'all may think looks familiar. Yeah, you get your drink of water. I don't care anymore. Yeah, but y'all hadn't been wondering why I hadn't been recording. I was just taking a little break. So, yeah, I'm getting back recording. So, yeah. And y'all remember that video I did back in December the 9th? In 2000, I think it was 18 or 19. I'm not sure. I think it was 18. But I just gotta, like, get the dates back and stuff. So, y'all remember this front porch here? Remember when I showed y'all the animals in that vlog? Yeah, this is where. And if I ain't know, my dad's watching football, so I'll be in my room playing video games like I usually do. Sorry if this video's not as long. It is a little long video, but not too long. But as y'all see, my dad, this is the living room window. My dad's watching football. Okay, there comes a car. Y'all see the lights coming? Yeah, y'all might see them flashing. There comes a car. But here's my dad. Here's the TV. Y'all might see the TV. TV's blocking. Y'all might not see. Y'all see my dad anywhere? There went the car. Y'all see, there he is. Y'all see him? See him right there? Y'all see his face? He's in there watching football. It's a little blurry. There he is. Just looking. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna end it here. So, guys, I have no idea why my dogs were fighting today. So, yeah, there's our other neighbors over there. Yeah, but we live in a good countryside now compared to what we used to. But I like the area where we lived at before. I know it's pretty here too, but yeah. But I want to end it here, so guys, give this video a thumbs up, and so yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So subscribe, turn on post notifications. I know this I don't know if I even had an intro to this video, because right at the start I just had the shout out to my dog saying hey, because they were just started fighting, and then because I had my phone out here and I was like taking pictures of the sunset and stuff out here, and once I started doing that, these dogs started fighting. My dogs started fighting, so I had to, yeah, at least I had to record this and post it on YouTube, because I know people's gonna be like, daggum, your dogs fought that much. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So subscribe, turn on post notifications. I will see you in the next video. Peace.